Hey guys, it's me, Kalila, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get my lashes to look so pretty with no mascara. Um, I'll be showing you guys the perm I use and how I apply it, so just continue watching. Alright you guys, so I will be using an eyelash perm kit. There is a discount in the link below. In this kit you have all your necessary things, and it also comes with the sticky pads and the silicone pads. I choose to use the silicone pads. A couple of other things that you will need are right here, and let's get started. So before getting into the steps, I wash my face. I like to separate my lashes with a spoolie and curl them with an eyelash curler. In step 1, I'm going to apply my silicone pad. I use a size small. I let the glue get tacky for about 60 seconds so that it stays in place easier. I'm going to place the pad close to the lash line as possible and ensure no lashes are under the pad with a toothpick. Step 2, I'm going to apply my lashes to the pad. So I apply glue to the outside of the pad. I also let this get tacky for about 60 seconds. I'm going to brush my lashes up with the spoolie to help them separate, then use the toothpick to apply the rest and space them out. I personally do this step twice, but you do not have to. It does have more glue on your eyelashes with this step if you do it twice. I like to do it twice just to make sure that I did get all of the lashes up. This step is major because this step shows pretty much your outcome after you do the perm. Step 3, I'm going to apply my perm lotion. You can apply this with using a Q-tip or a toothpick. I prefer a toothpick as a Q-tip absorbs and wastes some of the product, but I'm going to show you both. You want to apply directly to your roots to the mid area of the lashes and try to avoid the ends as the product could loosen your glue. Once finished, you're going to let this process for 15 minutes and then remove it with a Q-tip. Step 4, we're going to apply the setting lotion, the same as we did with the perm lotion. We're going to apply directly to the roots, to the mid area of the lashes, avoiding the lash ends. Once finished, we will let this process for 10 minutes and then remove with a Q-tip. Step 5, I'm going to apply the moisture lotion, and I'm going to apply this to the full length of the lashes. This will moisturize the lashes and help them unattach from the pad. You can use a little more than I did, just ensure it's not too much that it will run into your eyes. I let this sit for about 5 minutes. Lastly, we're going to remove the pad from the eyelid. I like to add a little more moisture and kind of just push it back and forth with a Q-tip. This step for me takes a little longer because I do the glue step twice, which I do not have to do, but I choose to do. You can also perm your lashes with using the sticky rod, and you don't even have to worry about glue at all. If I still have glue on my eyelid or lashes, I remove with the moisture lotion or the cleanser water that this comes with by using the Q-tip or the cotton pad, and then I try to spoolie to make sure they can still separate, to make sure all the glue is off. Sometimes I do pick at it. If need be, I have to, I will, but not too much. After you're finished, you want to try to avoid using eyelash curlers as they may weaken and damage your lashes. You also want to avoid getting them wet for at least 24 hours. I actually like to curl my lashes because I don't really like to have to wear mascara, so this is kind of like a little break for me. This lasts about 4 weeks. I don't do this every 4 weeks, but it's nice to have every now and then. So there's my finished look. Hope you guys like it. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time.